Hi, Dr. Maya and classmates. My name is Lauren Sullivan. This is a current photo of me from earlier this summer. The most important part of my life is my family. This is my hubby, Todd. We've been married for 29 years and we have 3 adult children. Our eldest daughter is Rachel, and this is Alyssa, our second daughter, with Julia, our youngest. These are our fur babies. This is Ziggy and Duffy and Charlie, and they are brothers and the source of all the trouble in our house. They're truly hilarious. They provide a lot of joy. I am from Cleveland, Ohio. I was born here and I have raised my family here. Todd and I lived in Northern Virginia outside of Washington, D.C. for a couple of years as well. We are blessed to take advantage of the many hobbies and activities available in Cleveland, from the professional sports teams to amazing cultural experiences such as theater productions at Playhouse Square, the world-renowned Cleveland Orchestra at Severance Hall, the world-class Cleveland Museum of Art, Natural History Museum, Cleveland Metro Park Zoo, the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, and the Great Lakes Science Center. One of my hobbies includes roller coasters. I love them. The faster and higher, the better. Here are a few photos that I took last night while waiting to ride the Millennium Force roller coaster and the Maverick roller coaster at Cedar Point Amusement Park. The Millennium is 310 feet high and it goes 93 miles an hour, and the Maverick has a 95-degree angle drop. The park is less than an hour away from Cleveland, so we try to get there as much as possible each summer. I also love to sing, and I lead on our worship team each Sunday at church. I received a bachelor's degree in dietetics from the University of Akron. I completed my pre-professional practice program at George Washington University Medical Center, and I'm really psyched about pursuing the Master's of Science degree in Applied Nutrition from the University of New England. My first position was as a dietetic technician for a skilled long-term care facility and then at Alexandria Hospital in Northern Virginia while I completed my internship there. I became a registered dietitian at age 27, and I've worked in inpatient care, outpatient care, long-term care, neonatal intensive care, and bone marrow transplant. I've also been a manager. I am currently working for the Center of Human Nutrition at the Cleveland Clinic Foundation as an outpatient dietitian. We are a part of the Digestive Diseases Institute. Cleveland Clinic is ranked the 4th top hospital by U.S. News and World Report this year. This is a picture of a few of my colleagues that I work with on a daily basis in outpatient counseling. I look forward to working with all of you. I saw some familiar names and also some new people, and I think that we're going to have a great experience in the nutrition education and health behavior change class. I look forward to meeting you all.